Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the finals error code 10737411819. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. The error comes when users try to start the game. As shared, the game was working fine earlier, but now crashes and won't even start. According to our research, the error could be caused by a recent system change, third-party application, outdated firmware, or a bug in the game. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game completely and restart your device. After restarting, launch the game again and check for the error. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. Simply look for any pending updates for the finals. If an update is available, install it and check if the error still comes. If the error continues, then probably some third-party app is interfering with the game. Think if you have recently installed any new application. If yes, then try disabling or uninstalling it and launch the game again. Check if this helps with the error. If you still get the error, then check your device firmware. Go to your system settings and see if any firmware updates are pending. If yes, install them and then try launching the game. At last, if the error still persists, we suggest you contact the final support and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.